Good afternoon to all of you. Warm welcome to the article discussion, the future of manufacturing, a Delphi-based scenario analysis on the Industry 4.0. I invited group number 5 to discuss this article. Please, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all. Today we will discuss about the article which title was the future of manufacturing, a dolphin-based scenario analysis on Industry 4.0. First we have to discuss about the summary of this article. The article explores how Industry 4.0 will transform the future configuration of manufacturing value chains. Recognizing that exciting research on Industry 4.0 is fragmented and technology-centric, the authors adopt a value chain perspective to understand long-term structural changes in manufacturing. The scenarios provide strategic insights into emerging business models, vertical integration, firm size, entry barriers, geographical dispersions, and value distribution in Industry 4.0. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. We have identified some key principles in the article that is given here. The principles are value change transformation. Then second one is scenario-based strategic thinking. Third is customization and servitization. Fourth is digital transparency. And the last one is technology convergence. The applications of given article will be strategic planning, curriculum design, SME readiness assessment, policy formulation, and engineering management. So following are the key takeaways. Industry 4.0 does not lead to a single future but multiple manufacturing scenarios. Second point, digital data transparency and smart products are as influential as advanced manufacturing technology. Third, value creation is increasingly driven by services, platforms and ecosystem, not only physical production. Now I would invite Sneha Madam for conclusion.
A very good afternoon to all. From today's discussion, we conclude that the article demonstrates that Industry 4.0 represents a system-level transformation rather than a set of isolated technological upgrades. The findings strongly support the need for adaptive engineering management, strategic foresight, and interdisciplinary thinking, making the study highly relevant to the FDP theme on smart manufacturing in the Industry 4.0 era. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now I invited the group number 6 for the article discussion.
Good afternoon, everyone here. Today is a presentation of So, good afternoon, everyone here. Today's presentation topic is Delphi-based scenario analysis on Industry 4.0. The summary of the title is the study employs a Delphi-based scenario analysis involving 76 experts from academia and industry to capture informed expectations and disagreements regarding Industry 4.0 impacts. Based on expert consensus and divergence, the authors identify four key drivers: demand characteristics, data transparency, maturity of additive manufacturing and robotics, and penetration of smart products, which collectively shape 8 possible future scenarios for manufacturing. Now I would like to invite next participant for their presentation.
Thank you, Manikar sir. Good afternoon all. As per the article, some points, principal points I taken. That is the keywords taken. First one is the value chain transformation. That means the industrial 4.1 impact extended to beyond to the individual firms to entire multiple tier values for the chain. Second one, the scenario based on the strategy thinking. That means the future outcomes are uncertain and best addressed through the alternative scenario rather than the single forecast. Third one is the customization and the servitization shift from the mass production to the mass customization and the service oriented value of the proposition. And fourth one, the digital transparency. As we know, the world is going for the world clouding, and according to that, the data sharing across the value chain partners become a critical competition factors. And fourth one, not the least, that is a technology conveyance combines the effect of IoTs, additive manufacturing, robotics, and smart product shapes manufacturing evaluation. Thank you. Thank you. Next one is the Bagadkar sir explained.
Applications. Good morning, everybody. The article title is a Delphi-based scenario analysis on Industry 4.0. My point is applications. Applications of a Delphi-based scenario analysis. What is the application? We must know when we read this article and I read this complete article and I point out some applications here. The first is strategic. The first application is strategic application. So Delphi-based method gives us a strategic planning. So you must know what is the impact of this Delphi-based method. In this strategic, manufacturing firms can use scenario planning to prepare flexible long-term strategies under Industry 4.0 uncertainty. Okay. Second application of this Delphi-based method is it is in curriculum. How it is applied in curriculum? So, engineering education can integrate value chain thinking, digital manufacturing, and scenario analysis into Industry 4 courses. So, this is one of the greatest application of Delphi-based method which we can use this in curriculum. Next is SME readiness, that is assessment. Okay, so small and medium enterprises can assess entry barriers and collaboration needs in digitally transparent ecosystems. So these are some applications which I find out from these articles. Thank you.
Good morning all. The today's discussion topic is the Delphi-based scenario analysis in Industry 4.0. So, Industry 4.0 that do not lead towards the any मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम, मतलब जो इंडस्ट्री 4.0 है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपका जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम होगा, मतलब स्मार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम ही नहीं होगा, वो होगा फ्लेक्सिबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम, मतलब FMS। सेकंड वन होगा आपका SMS, दैट इज स्मार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम, एंड थर्ड वन इज आपका तीसरा वाला होगा कि मॉड्यूलर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। तो पहला वाला जो होगा जो फ्लेक्सिबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम, मतलब क्या होगा कि उसमें जो ऑटोमेशन होगा वो ऑटोमेशन होगा फुल्ली डिजाइन, मतलब फुल्ली मतलब वहाँ पे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम यूज करेंगे डायरेक्टली, वहाँ पे CNC मशीन यूज करेंगे, उसके बाद में डायरेक्टली रोबोटिक्स, मतलब वहाँ पे जो भी जनरेशन होगा वो फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिक होगा। और दूसरा होगा आपका रहेगा SMS स्मार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, जो हम 4.0 में यूज करने वाले, उसको सेमी ऑटोमेटिक बोल सकते हो। इसमें थोड़ा सा वर्क रहेगा, ऑटोमेशन रहेगा, इंटीग्रेशन, बट वो सेमी इंटीग्रेशन रहेगा, जिसमें मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम तो होगा बट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिस्टम डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स। पहला पार्ट होगा आपका ह्यूमन और सेकंड पार्ट रहेगा आपका जो भी कंप्यूटर सिस्टम रहेगा वो सिस्टम्स। तो ये रहेगा आपका। इससे क्या होगा कि जो आप कंप्यूटर सिस्टम यूज करोगे उस पर आपका डेटा ट्रांसपेरेंसी आ जाएगा, और आपका जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगा उस पर ह्यूमन बीइंग यूज करोगे तो डेटा ट्रांसपेरेंसी आप जैसे VVPAT होता है, जैसे अपन 2 बार उसको क्लिक कर सकते हैं, कवर चेक कर सकते हैं, तो उसको डबल चेक भी कर सकते हैं भाई। अगर ह्यूमन से कोई भी अगर डिटेक्शन आता है तो डिटेक्ट कर लेगा आपका कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। तो बोथ आर इक्वली कोऑर्डिनेटेड। और थर्ड वन रहेगा आपका डिजिटल ट्रांसपेरेंसी स्मार्ट प्रोडक्ट्स। तो और लास्ट रहेगा आपका मॉड्यूलर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। तो आपकी जो भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगी वो पीस बाय पीस कट करेंगे, मतलब कोई भी एक काम है, आपको एक काम अगर एक से नहीं हो रहा वो 10 स्टूडेंट में बांट दो, उसको मॉड्यूल में थोड़ा थोड़ा बांट दो, तो ये काम क्या रहेगा मॉड्यूल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। ऑल दीज आर द की टेकअवेज फ्रॉम द आर्टिकल्स। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hi, Isha this side. So the conclusion says Industry 4.0 is about the changes in the factories, that is system level transformation from isolated updates, means fixing the small parts. Okay. Then next one is the study use a Delphi based method, that is a way getting expert opinion in a structured way to look out how manufacturing will change because of new technologies and market conditions. And the last one is the result shows that we need a smart, flexible engineering management and teamwork from a many fields like interdisciplinary to explain companies plan ahead, like a strategic planning. Fine.